Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we find the value of the given numbers. So in first question, -4 divided by 2/3. In this -4 is negative integer and 2/3 is rational number. So when we divide integer with the rational number, first we change integer into a rational number. To change integer into rational number, we write 1 in its denominator. So -4/1 divided by 2/3. -4/1. This division sign change to multiplication. We multiply the reciprocal of 2/3. -4/1 multiply reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. We simply interchange numerator and denominator. 4 and 2 both have common factor 2, so we cut them. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. -2/1 multiply 3/1. -2 multiply 3, we get answer -6. 1 multiply by 1, -6/1 equal to -6. So now in question number 2, -3/5 divided by 2. -3/5 is rational number, 2 is a whole number or a positive integer. -3/5 divided by 2. So first we change this 2 into the rational numbers. We write 1 in its denominator. It is 2/1. Now -3/5 divided by 2/1. -3/5 division sign change to multiplication. We multiply reciprocal of 2/1. -3/5 multiply reciprocal of 2/1 is 1/2. We simply interchange numerator and denominator. Now in numerator and denominator there is no any common factor, so we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. -3 multiply by 1, 3. 5 multiply by 2, we get answer 10. So we get answer -3/10. Now in question number 3, -4/5 divided by 3. -4/5 again negative rational number, 3 is a positive integer or whole number. First we change this integer into the rational number. -4/5 divided by 3. So we change this integer to the rational number. So we write 1 in its denominator. It is 3/1. -4/5 divided by 3/1. -4/5 division sign change to multiplication. Reciprocal of 3/1. This division sign change to multiplication and we multiply reciprocal of 3/1. -4/5 multiply reciprocal of 3/1 is 1/3. We simply interchange numerator and denominator. So now there is no any factor common in numerator and denominator, so we multiply numerator with the numerator. -4 multiply by 1, 4, and 5 multiply by 3, we get answer 15. In question number 4, -1/8 divided by 3/4. Both are rational numbers. So -1/8 divided by 3/4. -1/8 division sign change to multiplication and we multiply the reciprocal of 3/4. -1/8 multiply Reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. Now 4 and 8 common in numerator and denominator, so we cut them. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now we multiply minus 1 over 2 multiply by 1 over 3. Minus 1 multiply by 1, we get answer minus 1. 2 multiply by 3, we get answer 6. Minus 1 over 6 is the answer. Now in question number 5, minus 2 over 13 divided by 1 over 7. Minus 2 over 13 and 1 over 7 both are rational numbers. So minus 2 over 13. This division sign change to multiplication. We multiply reciprocal of 1 over 7. Reciprocal of 1 over 7. Minus 2 over 13 multiply reciprocal of 1 over 7 is 7 over 1. We simply interchange numerator and denominator. Now there is no any common factor in numerator and denominator, so simply we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Minus 2 multiply by 7, we get answer minus 14. 13 multiply by 1, we get answer 13. Minus 14 over 13 is the answer. Next question number 6, minus 7 over 12 divided by minus 2 over 13. Both are negative rational numbers. So minus 7 over 12 divided by minus 2 over 13. So this division sign change to multiplication and we multiply reciprocal of minus 2 over 13. Minus 7 over 12 multiply 13 over minus 2. Minus 7 over 12 multiply by 13 over minus 2. Minus minus overtake, it become plus. Now we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 7 multiply by 13, we get answer 91. 12 multiply by 2, we get answer 24. Now in question number 7, 3 over 13 divided by minus 4 over 65. Both are rational numbers. So 3 over 13, this division sign change to multiplication and we multiply reciprocal of minus 4 over 65. Three over 13 multiply 65 over minus 4. Reciprocal of minus 4 over 65 is 65 over minus 4. Now in numerator and denominator their common factor is 13, so we cut them. 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. Now we multiply 3 over 1 multiply 5 over minus 4. 3 multiply by 5, we get answer 15. 1 multiply by minus 4, we get answer minus 4. It is also equal to minus 15 over 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then you can comment on this video. Also like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.